Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 21/9/2023 and the time is roughly around 7:30. Actually, I failed in my research. Actually, I was thinking that it will give 2.24% candle today, but it has not given that candle and it gave roughly around 1% candle today. But if you take last 2 days, it has given roughly around 1.75% candle. But that is not the research. The research is it has to give today 2.24%. So I failed in that, and I need to work a little more to get that accuracy. But the view which we took on Saturday, that we are going to go only short in the market and we are not going long in Nifty or Bank Nifty, given a very decent money for us till today, expecting some more. Tomorrow we covered our 75% of the short position of Nifty and Bank Nifty today near the closing, and we are holding another 25% for tomorrow. Let's go and see all that. So this is what we said, that on Saturday, that concentrate on all these puts. So we gave all the puts, which are the puts we are going to trade, and we are given all this, and we gave the entry of this one, which is 20,200 put, buy at 158, stop loss 108. All these are targets, and till now 465 is done. Till now 465 is done, and this one is pending. The 508 is pending. It went very near to that level, but anyway, this target is not done. But all these targets are done with the stop loss of 40 points. With the stop loss of 40 points, 50 points. With the stop loss of 50 points, it has done all the targets till here, and one more is pending. One more is pending, and we clearly said till monthly call 225 it is not crossing, it will go to zero. More or less it is zero as of now. Okay, so now let's go to the numbers. What numbers we predicted yesterday? So this is the number we said in Bank Nifty, 45,265, and this number is 19,856. So if you go to the chart in Nifty future, this is Bank Nifty future. Today exactly, this is 1 minute chart. Market came down, gap down actually, it came down. Once it broke this level, again it came down. Exactly it got rejected at that number, 45,265. And from there it gave a phenomenal fall of roughly around 600 points. Okay, and when you go to Nifty future, this is the number we set for 19,856. 19,856. Market opened, went up, exactly got rejected at that number, and it fell fully. See how number respects a single number. Even in 1 minute time frame, it is not able to break, and we are giving this precise number 1 day before. Precise number 1 day before. Okay. And when you go to spot, this is the last target for the week. This is what we mentioned, 19,714, and the sell level is 20,043. So it started here, exactly the bottom happened here. So break below tomorrow, more pain. I will give you this number. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, we said below 4522 because it got rejected here. Our number was, I think, 45,796. So if you go here, 45,796. So it opened below that number, and all the targets achieved, which is 44,707, and it closed below also, So now when it comes to the numbers, all the targets in Bank Nifty is achieved from year to year, and when it comes to Nifty, all the targets achieved from 20,043 to 19,714. 714, all the targets achieved. So now coming to tomorrow, So now below below this number 17,007 and 19,714. These are all the targets in the coming days. And this is the very crucial support area. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, below this number, below 44,707, below 44,707, these are all the targets in the coming days. Actually till up to tomorrow, because normally Monday I will give you the new number. So this is the targets below 44,707. So all the targets achieved in Bank Nifty. So now this is the number which I am expecting. Okay. So now we already said very clearly that this is the number for the coming week. So we said there is no long happened in this week. Short already triggered and all gave a phenomenal profits. And we clearly said from the beginning that 21st and 22nd are very, very crucial date. And once it broke the 14th September low, which is a very crucial date for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and it collapsed. Yesterday it closed below, and today again the collapse happened, and the low of that is 20,046. Here only we gave a sell call, and from there it collapsed, and again here 14th September 45,810, 1,000 points done. 1,000 points done. Okay, so now this is the analysis which we talked about in our weekly forecast webinar, that whatever move which happened here, and because of this fall the equilibrium get lost. So now what happens? Even though it breaks this high, even though it breaks the high of this cloud, this will not sustain. This is what we said, and it will come and touch this flat line. And today see how beautifully, see what happened here. So from here, if you take those who understand Ichimoku, they will know what is 9th candle, what is 17th candle, and what is 26th candle. So now if you see here, from this low, the 9th candle was this candle which it got rejected. Again from here, the 17th candle got rejected here. So if this happened, if this too happens, then whatever move which happened, and when the cloud is big, whatever move is going to happen here, this will not sustain, it will break. This is the rule of Ichimoku. This is the rule of, I don't know how many people teach about this, but this is how Ichimoku works. Okay, on Sunday, this is what we talked about it. It will not sustain. Even after this candle, we clearly said it will again come here and touch and bounce. And even though it bounced, this will not sustain because of this candle and because of this candle. And that's a combination candle. So now what happens? See how beautifully it is trying to break the twist. We call it as a Kumo twist. And where it is having the least support. This is the where it has the least support, and always Ichimoku will try to break when there is a least support area. Because in case if it goes tomorrow here, you will have a support here. But in this case, this is a clear twist. Clear twist, and it broke today. So what it says? A simple thing. It has the tomorrow is the 26th candle from the low. So the make or break is here for tomorrow when it comes to Ichimoku. But based on what happened here, if you take the 9th candle from the top, it will not break this Kumo cloud high, this high, till 29th September. 29th September. So we need to watch because now this area will act as a resistance, and it will try to break in case tomorrow or whatever it is, but it says very clearly it will not break this high till 29th September. In case if it breaks, even this will not sustain, again it will come back. again it will come back and take the retest here for a move. So the bullishness will happen only after this date, which is October 2023, based on Ichimoku, that we will talk about little later. So in case if it closes below again one more candle tomorrow, breaking this flat line on the upper side will be a tough time for Bank Nifty till 29th of September. 29th of September. People, those who understand the wave theory in Ichimoku, they will definitely know about this. But this is little bit advanced, way of predicting the move in Ichimoku. But predominantly we use Ichimoku for our analysis. So this is how it works. So beautifully it closed below the Kumo cloud when it was a least support area. Kindly go back and do little bit of work on what I thought here today. This itself is a mega system. You can simply use what I thought today here, and you can go and do the back testing. Then you will understand how this Ichimoku functions, because this is not an indicator. This is not an indicator or an oscillator. This is a complete system. This is a complete system. And whatever you see, the 5 components here, this is not actually what you see here, the 5 components, including the Kumo cloud and other stuff. This is not EMA or SMA. Maybe the calculation purpose it is there, but this is a perfect combination of 5 elements which respects each other, and that is why this is called a system, and this is not an indicator. Okay, so that's a beautiful system which we normally work on this. So kindly go and do the back testing. You can do the back testing even on 5 minutes candle, 15 minutes, whichever time frame you do, but we predominantly focus this on 1 day. But even if you go to 1 hour, see the magic of 1 hour today. What a beauty. So it came down today, it closed below the first candle, and exactly it got rejected. It got rejected at the cloud. None of the candle is able to close above this cloud, and it gave a beautiful fall. So now when it comes to 1 hour, what happens? It will not try to break anywhere here on the upper side. Very difficult. Very, very difficult. It will not try to move back above whatever may be the scenario. Let the Dow Jones open even 1000 points up also tomorrow, nothing will happen here. Okay, it will always try for the least resistance area, which is here. So we need to watch that, but see how beautifully this got rejected, exactly at the cloud. And even if you go to Bank Nifty spot also, Nifty 50, see how beautifully it got rejected. So once it is below, and once the cloud is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, and moving above will be a tough challenge for Nifty and Bank Nifty. But only one thing is little cushion when it comes to Nifty is still this is out of the endurance. Okay, so possibility that it may come and take the support here and all that, but when it comes to Bank Nifty, it is at a very, very crucial level, and it is getting into if it is getting into 26th day candle. So and if you go here, it is exactly this lagging span is near the support area. So last time when it happened here, it came down all the way, gave a M pattern, and from there it reversed. So this is the crucial area, and again this is the crucial area. So tomorrow, in case one more fall, I think Bank Nifty will again go for a toss. So watch out for that, and that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investor. And if you go to fortune signals, there's a beautiful 3 minutes time frame in fortune signals. The sell came here, G sell came here with the sell signal in 3 minutes. Till now there is no buy. So roughly around 500 points captured in Nifty in 3 minutes time frame. Even if you go to 1 minute time frame, wherever it gave a buy after this sell came, Wherever it gave a buy, all the buy are only fake buy because none of the candle closed above the buy. Again, when it comes down here, when you come down here, again it gave a buy, none of the candle gave a buy because there is no genuine buy. You need to see a genuine buy like this, then only it is a buy. See, the sell came here, the sell came here, and actually the sell came here on 18th September, where you got a sell and a G sell, which is genuine sell. So once this genuine sell is happened, after that till now there is no genuine buy even in 1 minute time frame. So whatever you get a buy here, all these are fake. All these are a trap. You should not enter. You should not enter. You need to get a genuine buy. Until now there is no genuine buy. The genuine buy signal we added recently. So if you go here, you will know you can enable this genuine buy and genuine sell. So now till you don't get a genuine buy in 1 minute time frame, there is no question of buying. Even if you go to 1 minute time frame, see, it gave a buy here, but none of the candle closed above. Again it gave a buy here, none of the candle closed above. So this is Nifty, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, this is Bank Nifty in 1 minute time frame. Again it gave a buy here, none of the candle closed above the buy. Again you come here, so this is actually 1 minute, but it gave a G buy in the end of the tunnel yesterday, but we didn't buy anything yet. So we are holding our short from the top here, and in 1 minute time frame it gave a solid fall. So this is where it happened. So if you go to 3 minutes, it will be smooth to ride the complete trend from year to year in 3 minutes time frame. The sell came here at 40,132, and from there is no buy fully. This is how the G sell will have a major impact, which is called a genuine sell now. So roughly around 1600 points, there is no buy even in 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See, let's see whether we get 2.24% candle tomorrow. I'm not giving up, but one more thing I want to tell you is, whenever, see, this is what we talked about yesterday. Whenever a number converge, when the number converge, you will see a major move on the upside or major move on the downside. And again, if you go to Bank Nifty, we clearly mentioned yesterday, the numbers are getting converged. The numbers are getting converged. If the convergence happens, the fall will be more or the upside will be more based on this number. Since it is below this number, it has given a solid 700 points fall. So now if you go tomorrow, the convergence got nullified. So tomorrow there is no convergence, and you get only one number. So there is no convergence. So whenever there is a convergence, I will mark and I will tell you the convergence has happened. So this is for Nifty for tomorrow. The convergence is already done and it's already over. So now when it comes to Bank Nifty, there is no convergence. Okay. So let's see whether it is going to do all these targets here, or it is going to take a little bit of breather and all that. But anyway, as I told, based on Ichimoku, even if it goes on the upper side, it will face lots and lots of resistance in the coming days to come, and probably that anything has to come, it has to come only after 29 September. Okay, see you soon tomorrow with the magical number of Nifty, with the magical candle. Today also the timing candle worked like mad. You can use it, and let's see. Until then, good night, bye.